Hi, I'm Kay Morgan from the School of Physics and Astronomy. In this video, I'm going to talk about the study choices our school offers you and the amazing facilities and people that support those opportunities. Many technologies that make your life more comfortable or allow you to work efficiently in the 21st century are due to engineered solutions based on discoveries in physics. These discoveries underpin our consumer devices, such as your smartphone or the medical technologies at the heart of the health system. These applications and many more are based on fundamental discoveries that came about through human curiosity by exploring deeply the physical world around us. Astrophysics extends the applications of physics and the bounds of human curiosity to other planets, the stars beyond, and the entire universe, seeking to provide humanity with an understanding of our place in the cosmos. The skills you gain through studying physics or astrophysics can lead to research in these areas, but are also highly applicable to many more careers, such as developing medical instrumentation, radiotherapy treatment of cancer, modelling climate and weather, analysing big data and financial systems, developing innovative ways to address sustainability, exploring emergent behaviour in complex biological systems, and understanding the function of the brain, to name but a few. We offer the full spectrum of subjects in physics, astronomy and astrophysics. Everything from astronomy and atomic physics to X-ray optics and zeptoscale physics, which is physics at the length scale of 10 to the minus 21 metres, as explored at the Large Hadron Collider. At Monash, you'll have access to state-of-the-art equipment, computing facilities and custom-designed teaching spaces designed specifically to promote learning and student-centred activities. You will benefit from working with researchers and teachers who are world leaders in their fields. You'll have the opportunity to build skills that are highly valued by employers and to achieve your intellectual potential. You can study physics and astronomy units as part of any of the Bachelor of Science single or double degrees, including the specialist 4-year degrees, the Bachelor of Science Advanced Research and the Bachelor of Science Advanced Global Challenges. You can also take physics and astronomy units as electives as a part of other degrees at Monash. Whether you want to immerse yourself in as much physics and astrophysics as possible, or broaden your studies with elective units, we have options for you. For details not covered in this video, please remember to check out the information in the Monash Handbook, but I'll give you a quick overview now. As part of a Bachelor of Science degree, you can specialise in physics or astrophysics by completing a minor, a major, or an extended major in physics or astrophysics. To complete a major in physics, you select 8 of the units shown, starting with the first year sequence PHS 1011 and PHS 1022, or 1001 and 1002. For a major in astrophysics, there's a similar selection of units, but note the options for the first year sequence are the same. Let's look at the first year sequences, as well as some of the elective options in more detail. Where you would start depends on your degree, what you studied in VCE, what your interests are, and how far you want to take your physics and/or astrophysics studies. If you passed both Year 12 physics and either mathematical methods or specialist mathematics, and you'd like to continue in physics, you should select the sequence PHS 1011 and PHS 1022. This sequence would let you continue to physics or astrophysics in second year. The sequence is calculus-based in that it requires you to have studied the basics of differentiating and integrating functions in VCE maths methods or similar. If you passed VCE physics but only studied VCE further maths or equivalent, you'll need to contact the school to discuss your options. There are maths requirements for these units and progression to second year. For example, many students would also select the 2 units shown. Science engineering double degree students can fulfil the maths requirements with equivalent engineering units. Check the Monash Handbook for specific details. No Year 12 physics, but thinking that you'd like to take some physics now? Then you can take PHS 1001. This is algebra based, and so it only requires VCE further maths or similar. PHS 1001 is a science unit, but you can alternatively take it as an elective. It can be difficult to fit single standalone units into a double degree because of the requirements you may need to fulfil for each degree, so please discuss your options with Monash Connect for specific and tailored advice on how to fit such units into your degree structure. Now you could stop there, but if you enjoy PHS 1001, you could complete a first year sequence by continuing with PHS 1002 in second semester. PHS 1002 does require calculus, so if required, this could be accommodated by selecting an appropriate Semester 1 maths unit. As with PHS 1011 and PHS 1022, the sequence of PHS 1001 and PHS 1002 would let you continue to physics or astrophysics in second year, provided you take the required supporting maths units. Again, specific details can be found in the Monash Handbook, or you can contact the school if you have any questions. If you're an engineering student with Year 12 physics, you can also take PHS 1002 as a standalone elective, but if you want to continue with a minor or a major in physics or astrophysics, then you must select the appropriate sequence. We also offer units in Semester 1 and 2 in Astronomy, ASP 1010 and ASP 1022. These units don't have any specific prerequisites and are suitable for a broad range of students, including those from outside the Faculty of Science. You can choose them as science units or electives. You can choose to do both or just one of them. However, while they're not required for further studies in astrophysics, we'd recommend them even if you selected a physics sequence. In Semester 1, we also offer a physics elective for Biosciences, PHS 1031. This unit is particularly designed to complement studies in the biological sciences. It's similar to PHS 1001 in that it doesn't require you to have Year 12 physics, and the maths is algebra based, so no calculus is required. However, if you have Year 12 physics or think that you might want to continue with studies in physics or astrophysics, then you should choose PHS 1011 or PHS 1001 as appropriate. Further units to consider include Introduction to Scientific Coding, Science Internship, and Career Skills for Scientists. The school offers students access to extraordinary teaching spaces, equipment, and research infrastructure, including our Hutton Westfield Astronomical Observatory. You'll have opportunities to extend yourself through individual research projects and through mentoring activities such as the Women in Physics and Astronomy program. The School of Physics and Astronomy strives to ensure that every student feels welcome and supported, with a team working on equity, diversity and inclusion initiatives, and support from trained LGBTIQ+ allies, disability support services, mental health first aiders and more. This ongoing commitment has been recognised by international equity, diversity and inclusion programs, including Athena Swan and Pallades Awards. Make sure you check out our website, Facebook page and YouTube channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in physics and astronomy here at Monash.